Fast, compact, convenient, and cost-friendly, electric folding scooters have become one of the game changers in the transportation scene today. Be it a stroll around the community or a cruise around the city, the electric folding scooter can take you just about anywhere with its free-emission integrated motor. With the growing brands of electric folding scooters out there, however, it might be challenging for you to pick the best one that fits your needs. With that, here are our top 5 picks for the best electric folding scooters. Here at Electric Bike Paradise, we're sure to provide you everything you need on your everyday cycling. If you'd like to support us and know more about electric bikes, click the link in the description below. You can also check out electricbikeparadise.com and buy your bikes from us at the lowest price guaranteed. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get updated with more videos like this. Without further ado, let's take a look at our best pick of the best folding electric scooters. 5. Glier Wheelie EB-C1. Glier Wheelie EB-C1 is a perfect fit for city commuting, as anyone can ride it in either sitting or standing positions. It can top a speed of 15 miles an hour with its 350 watts brushless center motor and has a range of 12 to 15 miles with only a 4-hour charge of its 8 amp hour battery pack. Weighing only at around 35 pounds, the EB-C1 can be conveniently carried even when riding a bus, making the EB-C1 one of our recommendations to check out. 4. V&D Go-Bike M1. Built with aircraft aluminum and an unconventional frame design, the Go-Bike M1 features a 500 watts motor capable of running at a top speed of 20 miles an hour and an 8-hour battery that can last for about 30 miles in one full charge. It has a rear-wheel drive installed for additional traction and torque. Its wheels have a dimension of 13 inches and have disc brakes applied on both sides. It weighs about 45 pounds and can easily be stored inside your garage or the trunk of your car while taking up as little space as possible. Given its design, the Go-Bike M1 is a definite must-have electric folding scooter. 3. Mototech Mad. The Mototech Mad sports a perfect combination of a scooter and a motocross bike and is one of the most highly sought products out there in the market. This scooter is packed with fat tires for an all-terrain capability and has a max weight capacity of 310 pounds. Its frame is made of heavy-duty metal, showcasing durability. The best thing about this electric scooter is that it's equipped with an overwhelming 1600 watts motor and a chain drive, providing a top speed of 20 miles per hour through any terrain, making it one of the most powerful electric scooters out there. 2. V&D Scoot E4. The V&D Scoot E4 makes its way on our list as the lightest electric folding scooter at only 28 pounds. It can run with a range of 30 miles with a top speed of 20 miles an hour. Despite being lightweight, it can carry weight as heavy as 275 pounds supported by its front and rear suspensions along with its 8.5-inch tires. Both front and back wheels are paired with a disc brake mechanism for stopping power. With only 3 to 4 hours of charging time, you can immediately get into the action with the Scoot E4 folding electric scooter. 1. Glion Electric Dolly Fold Scooter. Last but not least, the Glion Electric Dolly Fold Scooter provides you with the best travel capabilities at the lowest price possible. Despite its price, it can still be at par with a folding scooter's standard specifications. With a top speed of 15 miles an hour, this scooter has the means to take you to whichever destination you want to go to. It has a frame made of aircraft-grade alloy and a maximum rider limit of 255 pounds, making the scooter more than durable enough on the get-go. Given its price, this electric scooter is a must-have for entry-level users. Now there you have it for our list of 5 most recommended electric folding scooters. If you want to learn more about us, you can visit us at electricbikeparadise.com for a list of our available products and contents, or you can contact our customer service team at 800-590-2738. As always, we ensure you the best quality and standard for the lowest price.